Tips for staying safe while traveling. Traveling can be an exhilarating experience, opening doors to new cultures, foods, and adventures. However, it's important to prioritize safety to ensure your journey remains enjoyable and trouble-free. Here are some key tips to help you stay safe while traveling. Research your destination. Cultural norms. Understand local customs and laws to avoid inadvertent offenses. Safety conditions. Check for travel advisories or alerts regarding crime, health issues, or political instability. Secure your documents. Copy essentials. Make photocopies of your passport, visa, and other important documents. Store them separately from the originals. Digital backups. Save scanned copies in a secure cloud storage service. Stay connected. Emergency contacts. Have a list of local emergency numbers and the contact information of your country's embassy. Regular check-ins. Share your itinerary with family or friends and keep them updated on your whereabouts. Health precautions. Vaccinations. Ensure you're up to date with required vaccinations and carry a copy of your vaccination record. Travel insurance. Invest in comprehensive travel insurance that covers health emergencies, theft, and trip cancellations. First aid kit. Pack a basic first aid kit tailored to your destination's specific needs. Protect your valuables. Minimal jewelry. Avoid wearing expensive jewelry that could attract unwanted attention. Anti-theft gear. Use anti-theft bags and wallets with security features like RFID blocking and locking zippers. Secure accommodations. Choose lodgings with good security, such as hotels with 24-hour reception or hostels with lockers. Be financially savvy. Multiple payment methods. Carry a mix of cash and credit cards and store them separately. Inform your bank. Notify your bank about your travel plans to avoid your cards being blocked. Avoid ATMs at night. Use ATMs during the day and preferably those located inside banks or secure locations. Local transportation safety. Reputable providers. Use well-known, reputable transportation services. Know your route. Familiarize yourself with your route before setting off and avoid isolated areas, especially at night. Stay aware. Blend in. Dress like the locals to avoid standing out as a tourist. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, trust your gut and remove yourself from the situation. Technology use. Data security. Use a VPN to protect your data on public Wi-Fi networks. GPS and maps. Download offline maps and apps that can help you navigate without an internet connection. Cultural respect. Learn basic phrases. Knowing a few phrases in the local language can be incredibly helpful and shows respect for the culture. Respect traditions. Be mindful of local traditions and dress codes, especially in religious or conservative areas. By following these tips, you can significantly reduce risks and enhance your travel experience. Remember, being prepared and aware is key to a safe and enjoyable journey. Happy travels!